Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to start by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, scroll down to access apps section. Then click on default apps and tap on one of those options, like browser app. Lastly, click on your new downloaded one that you wish to apply. And when you're ready, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!